students torched St. Joseph's School at SUGNU of Kaching district last night around 10:30 as per a report. At least 10 rooms of the institute have been gutted in the fire. Police are investigating the incident. Nongin napkins produced by NG Group of Industries was launched today during a function at Kurai Konsam Lekai, Imphal. The AMAND Ladies Club, which is a ladies wing of the Association of Manipur Diaspora Pune, celebrated the unique age-old tradition SHAJIBU CHEIRAOBA 2019 with its firm objective to promote and protect the rich socio-cultural heritage of Manipur on April 21 in Pune. The Bear Crop Science today organized an awareness program on rice cultivation for farmers at Moidangpok, Kulen, Awang Lekai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today told BJP workers that the country was witnessing a pro-incumbency wave for the first time as he expressed confidence that the BJP was set to return to power. The Prime Minister also said he has worked honestly for good governance and people have made up their minds that they want Modi Sarkar again. He added that yesterday's mega roadshow was a sign that the BJP had won Banarasi. The Supreme Court has ordered the Reserve Bank of India to disclose information about annual inspection report of banks under RTI unless they are exempted under law. It also warned the RBI to rethink its stand on disclosures under the RTI Act. The Supreme Court also said the Reserve Bank of India's non-disclosure policy was violation of its judgment in 2015. The Supreme Court clashed out at Assam's government proposal to conditionally release and monitor declared foreigners languishing in its detention centers for over 5 years, saying that the court would not be a party to such a move which is both illegal and violative of the Constitution. Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi said the proposed measure reflected the government's failure to deport declared foreigners. In Sikkim, a peace march to commemorate the 30th birthday of 11th PANCHEN Lama Genchon Choki Nyama has kicked off from Sakasum Hall at Gangtok. Around 250 members of Tibetan community have participated in this rally, which will conclude at Salgura in Siliguri of West Bengal. India for the second time skipped the Road and Belt Forum event held in Beijing in protest against the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a key component of the Belt and Road that passes through the disputed Kashmir held by Pakistan and claimed by it. Chinese President Xi Jinping today sought to allay growing concerns that his trillion-dollar Belt and Road project was pushing poor countries in a debt trap and pledged to make the connectivity scheme transparent.